I'm Joop Stolze and this is my hobby. I'm doing a hobby for 50 years now with classic cars. Yeah, I have all very nice classic cars from the 50s, 1950, 1960, that's what I like. I only buy what I like, and that's, I've never bought a car that I thought I can make some money on it. I only buy the cars that I like. From all countries, English, German, French, Americans, Italians, that's all different. My first car was a TR3, I bought it in London 51 years ago. I didn't have any work in the summer, so I wanted to do something, and that's why I started with this car. I bought this car in London, and then after 1 or 2 years I started buying them in America, and grown out of hand, the hobby. I did buy in America 9,000 cars. I'm selling them now because I want to build senior apartments here, and that has to be on this place, so this has to be empty. I had about 600, 570 cars or so, and now there was an auction, so now I sold a lot, and now this week is the end of the auction, so then it has to be empty, so I have to sell everything, yes. Only the first car I like to keep. I have a Italia, only 3 made. I have a Fiat Buano, only 1 made. And I have those cars already 40 years. I never wanted to sell them. And I've had a lot of very special cars. But the Italia and the Fiat Buano, those are the most expensive, most special cars. The cheapest is MGB to restore for 2,000, because that's an MGB, and there are people, it's a very nice hobby to put these cars together again and to get them on the road again. That's a perfect hobby, so that's what a lot of people do. So, and maybe I traded it in, or so I have also cheap cars that needs restoration, yes, because I want those cars on the street again, and that's what's necessary, that's what it needed. Sometimes I buy a car in America, then they say it's perfect, and then it's all rusted out, and then they have a lot of problems, because then they have to buy a new chassis and make it. So that happened a lot, yeah. I think the Italia, if it's on a good auction, that brings a lot of money, or the Fiat Buano too. They bring a lot of money on a good auction, yes. I sell them for less, but like I said, on a good auction maybe there's $1 million or something each. But now I'm selling everything for less, because I have to get it empty and to build this apartment for the old people. It's very important. That's a very nice car. It's like a Ferrari, only it's cheaper, and it's a very reliable. Very good cars, very nice, but now they're unbelievable expensive. But when I bought them the first time, maybe 10 years ago in America, it was $8,000, and then you couldn't even sell it. But now they're unbelievable high prices. I'm selling them now for around 35,000. But last auction in America, 2 cars, one went up to 116,000 and the other to 86,000. Unbelievable. And they were not better than my car. Yeah, the Jensen Interceptor is a very special car. It's the American engine. Also the rear window, and it's the same as every car I own. I like them all. So, but also the Jensen is very special, yes. But a nice car is about 40–50,000 euro. Well, I sell them for 40, maybe at the dealer, maybe it's 60 or 70, but my prices are not that high, so. Yeah, it's also with the Maserati Meroc engine, with the Maserati engine. And Johan Cruijff had one, the famous football player, he had one. So, but they're very nice cars and very special with the Maserati engines. That's the main thing, that I have a few of them, yes. I have the Veloce, and where did I find it? I think I bought it also in America, but I'm not sure. But only a few made, and in Holland, I think there are 2 in Holland. But the very special bikes, I had also the Veloce Truxton. course, I have a few of them, but now this bike, yeah, it's like a scooter. The Sundops, I only have the Italian Sundops. Here in this area, they all drove a Sundop or a Kreidler, but I had an Italian bike when I was 16. And that's why I have a lot of Italian bikes, and I bought a lot of them in Italy. But and also the Puch was made in Italy. But yeah, very special bikes. The ones from Italy are very special, very nice. Yeah. What can be better? I mean, and also money-wise, if you put your money on the bank, it's worth nothing. It's the money doesn't have any value anymore. So, but for me, most important thing is the cars itself, not for the money. But that's something for a lot of people. It's very important that you buy them for investment. But that's not what I should do. I should buy them only when I like it and drive it. Now the cars are all the same, but the old cars, you can see the difference. What's a Jaguar and what's a Mercedes. Some cars are difficult to get the parts, but if you know the way, then it's no problem. But some cars it's a little bit difficult. But I do this for 50 years, so now I know where to go, and that's also no problem. And they can make everything these days. It's if you have something that you cannot buy anymore, they can make it. Now these days it's very easy. Maybe it's a little bit crazy to have so many parts and books and everything, but I like it very much. So, and I've never thrown something away. So. It's also very important that you have a hobby, that you do something. I'm already also old, and if you stop working, maybe with your 60th year or 65 years, and you don't have a hobby, then you're dead in a few years. You have to have a hobby, you have to have something to do, and that's very important. And for me it's old cars, yes.